Despite what many people think, it is actually possible to remove the activation lock from an iPhone quite easily. Today on this channel, I'm going to show you 2 different methods so you can choose the one that works best for you. Stay tuned because we are starting right now. The first method is very popular. I'm talking about the famous DNS method. You can use a partial unlock through DNS servers. For this, you need to access to the advanced Wi-Fi settings. Press and hold the power button and choose More Wi-Fi settings. Then, tap the information icon to modify the network you are connected to. Now, simply add one of these DNS servers manually. If there is already a DNS configured, delete it and enter one of these DNS addresses shown on the screen, depending on your region. After that, save the changes and restart the device so the settings can take effect. When the iPhone turns back on, it will enter a special portal where you can access web versions of certain apps. For example, you can open Facebook, sign into your account, and browse normally. You can also use Instagram, X, or other social media platforms. In addition, you can access the web version of YouTube to watch videos and listen to music without limits. This method don't fully unlock the device, but it allows partial access, so it can still be useful for older iPhones that you had abandoned or stopped using. Now, the recommended option to completely remove the activation lock is a tool called Phone Tool Unlocker. I will leave the download link in the description so you can install it on your Windows computer. Besides removing activation lock, this software can also remove screen passcodes if you forgot them, remove Apple ID accounts without the password, and fix several other types of locks. For this tutorial, we will choose the option called Remove iCloud Activation Lock. On this screen, connect your iPhone locked by iCloud using a USB cable. The software will recognize the device and will guide you to start the jailbreak process. This step is necessary to remove the activation lock, but don't worry because the process is fully guided. We will use the WinRun tool to perform the jailbreak. I will also leave its link in the description. Once you open WinRun, click the next button. Your iPhone will enter recovery mode. When you see the USB cable pointing to the computer on your iPhone screen, go back to the WinRun software. Now, we need to enter the FU mode. Click Start button and on your phone, press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for about 6 seconds. Then, release the power button but continue holding the volume down button for 10 more seconds. If everything was done correctly, the iPhone will enter the FU mode and the jailbreak process will begin automatically. This process takes about 2 minutes, and during this time, you shall not disconnect or use the iPhone. Once the jailbreak is finished, the iPhone will return to the activation lock screen. Now, go back to the Phone Tool software, click Start, and then click Confirm. The activation lock removal process will begin. After around 30 seconds, the iPhone will restart and boot into the main screen, allowing you to use it normally again. Phone Tool will display the message confirming that the activation lock was removed successfully. Now, you can sign in with your own Apple ID or create a brand new account and start using the device however you want. This method is the best one because you don't need to know the screen passcode or use DNS servers for limit access. With this solution, you can access all the device functions and use the iPhone again as if it never had an activation lock. I will leave the Phone Tool Unlocker link in the description below so you can try it yourself. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.